Okay guys, you're gonna have to uninstall the Gold TV plan. If you're using the XCIPTV app, the DNS has changed unfortunately. So you're going to have to uninstall it. To do this, you're going to need to go to your apps and then find that app. Click the button with the 3 lines, see the option, and then click on install. It'll ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? Yes.
Okay.
Or okay. Thank you, honey. And then go to downloader, open downloader, and then under HTTP, put in Flaxcom. .com /apps and click, sorry, it's FLAXXCOMM.com/apps and click go, connect, and then re-download the Flaxcom TV Gold APK. Go to install. And then click done for now. Then click delete here. You don't want to save it. If you didn't, you can just go to files and you can see which ones are there. And home, and then back button twice to get out of it. Then reopen the app. And then put in your username and password. And if there's any questions, just contact me. Thank you.